Are you kidding? Come on, dude. The first stop is this. Okay. Be careful. Thank you. I will. And just like that, we've started up full-time van life in my pride and joy, the van I rebuilt. Now I get to embark on this adventure and enjoy the fruits of my labor. We take this van for real on the serious cross-country, across Canada road trip today. I cannot wait, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. It's gonna be so cool. Kalidar, right here was where my van broke down on my first road trip going to Chris's house. Glad we're past that, man. That was brutal. Made it to Eganville, small little town on the Ottawa River, which I've never followed before actually. Lived in Ottawa for 7 years and never went down the Ottawa River. But that last section was pretty hilly, and there was a downhill that this van did not like. The brakes are no good on this thing. Loaded up. Yeah, it was a lot of weight coming down that hill. It was a 7% grade, so we were cooking, and the brakes were a little scary. It's cool though, it's very rustic. Oh, this is my turn. Oh my God. Yep. Get up. Come on. Wow, it does not like the uphills with no speed, man. It really doesn't. This van likes momentum, not torque. And my right butt cheek is cramping. Oh! The propane tank bracket hanging off the back of the van. Already 144, man. For a better confirmation. Yeah, I'm heading for the station. I can feel love is real. Now you try. If you're willing to just come along with me. That lake though? Oh my. And the leaves are already starting to turn color out here. I'd move out here, man. I would. Don't tempt me with a good time. North Bay. Pretty stoked to be here. So we should be able to find this little spot. I know a spot. So, if it all looks good, we should be able to camp there for the night. We're like a minute from where I want to stay. And this is where I want to come to in the morning. It's like a decent one. 24 hour, perfect, can take a shower. But we need to make it to the lake. Oh yeah, okay, here we go. Oh, that's something. Look at that. There's a parking place near here, and I need to find it. This is definitely not it. Oh yeah, right here. come on, dude. Oh my God, this is prime. There's the van. I told you I knew a spot. Oh, come on, brother. I'm on the beach. I'm literally on the beach. Oh, that is fantastic. Are you kidding me? Night one on the Cross Canada road trip. And this is what we find? Dude, I could go for a swim in the lake. I could literally go for a swim. I don't have a bathing suit. I can use shorts. Wow. Come on. Okay, so now that we're here, we can explore. I want to eat. I've got some leftovers that mom packed me, so I'm gonna eat that. I think we're just gonna chill, enjoy the view. North Bay, got a hidden gem right here. That's sweet, right here, right there. Sunset, a literal sunset view. Come on. I'm pretty hungry, but we're going fishing, man. Are you kidding me? Oh, Jesus. It's a beautiful path right along the whole waterfront here. Keep eyes on the van way over there, just in case. But if somebody were to rob me, I don't think I'm getting there on time. No fish, but hey, that was beautiful. That's so much better than before, my God. Let's have a small discussion about what happened on day one today. A couple takeaways. One being, I'm definitely the slowest person on the road. Number two would be, I didn't know that other old camper vans wave to each other, so that was cool. And number three is, I take a lot of joy in pulling over and like letting people by. Like, they get so much satisfaction from like me letting them go, and then they're so happy. So I don't know, it just makes their day. I mean, who am I to block everybody when I know I'm the slowest? That's dank. Nice. Reheat is good, but it definitely needs some soy or some hot sauce, or both. That'd be great. Very cool first night one. Beautiful spot on the lake. Chicken and rice for dinner. Might play a little Call of Duty later. Who knows? Just soaking it all in. Enjoy the moment. Not stress about the car. This is where I live now. And they'll get a tutty. That's lame. Yay, now I can shower and use the washroom. I want to see you work out for me, work out for me. Oh, great workout. It's beautiful out. We're charging. Drained the battery down to 50% last night, playing a little college duties. And we're currently going 102 in and 14 out.
You've got the Trans-Canada up here, you've got number 3 down here. So
Yeah.
number 3 follows the border.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's the 49th parallel.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's where Rossland is. It's down. It's
Okay.
3 miles from the U.S. border.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll check it out.
Yeah.
I'll check it out. I'll be there, and I'll be exploring BC for a while, so.
Oh,
Have fun.
Thank you.
The Wawa Way, are you passing through Thunder Bay?
Yes.
That's where I'm from.
yeah.
Well, I'll soak it all in.
Yeah,
Thank
and
you.
the colors will be spectacular.
Thank you. I know, I'm pretty excited for it. Thank you. Take care, ladies. That's so cute. Just drove here to Walmart. Left those doors completely open. They're not even latched. I just drove 10 minutes down the road with it like this. Well, I guess it wasn't coming out anyway. Everyone has been nothing but so nice to me. Nothing but good things to say about North Bay. Other than it's a little shady, but cool people here, man. Too far apart now. If we reach the other side. Whoa. I don't know how I feel about this, but oh boy, it's pretty high up. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a bit of a p***y when it comes to this stuff. I guess I'll walk out a little further. Whoa. I just felt it move. Nope, we're not doing that. We are not doing that. I don't know, this was supposed to be some cool lookout, but it's all covered. I think one other guy's looking for it too. Looks a little treacherous, but I might do it. This is such a side quest right now. What the hell, dude? Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be able to get back up this thing? Yeah, why not? Let's do it. Buddy, this is nuts. What the hell? Okay. Oh my god. I just came down that. Wow, for this. Okay. Poison ivy. Oh, lovely. Is this the lookout, man? What is this? I am just wasting so much time right now. This was not worth it. We're going back up the same hill we just came down. This bridge sketches me out. There's like the train bridge that I was too scared to go on over there. There's little rope swings and stuff down on it. But yeah, this stuff makes my tummy curl, man. So apparently there's something really, really big around here. No, not that. Big nickel. It's the big nickel. Other than that, there's not really anything else in Sudbury. I like mine. I like mine more. We're on another side quest. This here is the Spanish River. A bunch of people are just chilling down on the island down there. Man, this place is vibes. This is freaking sweet. Now this is a proper lookout point. That last one, I don't know what we were doing. This, oh yeah. Oh yeah. We've made it to the Sioux. Nothing fancy tonight. We're staying at the Husky. Oh, my butt cheeks hurt. I'm hungry and I'm tired. Oh man, feels good to get out of that driver's seat. 800 kilometers on the dash, 10 hours driving. And the old girl, she's holding up. We've taken in some pretty sweet views so far, but the next parts of the trip are going to be amazing. So I cannot wait to show you guys that. But that is farewell from me and Big Blue for the night. I'll pick you guys up tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, hit that sub button, please. The gas it's hurting the wallet already. Take care, guys. If you're on the road, drive safe. Peace and love.